On January 29, 2025, police located a stolen U-Haul truck at a local motel, with a male listed as the last renter.
Hey, just come over to me. I need somebody to hold the balcony. Come over to me.
Hold the balcony?
Alright, we're going to push up from the passenger side. I just need somebody to hold the balcony. Let's move on now.
You ready?
Yeah, let him get on the left. Let him get on the left. Here, let's get the back. It's locked. Come around. Vehicle's clear. You can clear traffic.
While inspecting the vehicle, a person approached the police, identifying themselves as the renter, inquiring about what was happening with the U-Haul in police presence.
What's your name? Huh? Addie?
Yes.
Who else is in the room with you guys?
No one.
Just the two of you?
No, just her.
Oh, just her?
Yes.
Which room did you come out of?
I'm sorry.
Which room did you come out of?
When's the last time you drove it?
Earlier tonight.
How long's it been sitting there?
Here?
Yeah.
It was just parked here.
Like how long ago?
I went to the grocery store.
Are you the manager? Yeah. Oh, we'll come and talk to you in like 2 minutes. Yeah.
I don't know, like, I was at Publix before they closed.
Like what time?
Time's Publix closed, 11.
Which way did you come? Well, let me ask, which Publix were you at?
The one on Lantana.
Who's Blake?
Huh? That's my middle name.
What's your full name?
My legal name is
Adam?
Adam. I go by Adam.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Do you have ID on you?
It's
No,
upstairs.
just right here.
You want me to get your purse?
Yeah, can you get her first, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
Don't
Is it open?
get my wallet. What's the problem?
No, we're just looking for the U-Haul truck. And then we find it, and then here you are.
You were looking for it? For what reason?
When were you supposed to return it?
I mean, I spoke to U-Haul.
That's not what I asked you.
I initially rented the U-Haul for 1 week. But I've
How
been
long
paying
ago?
for it off my card. But they called me like about 4 days ago, and I was going to bring it back that day, but I just didn't.
Did they tell you to bring it back 4 days ago?
No. They asked me when I planned on bringing it back, and I said, I'll bring it back today if, but then I just got sidetracked, and they're finished moving the rest of their stuff.
Can you just get a driver's license?
Yeah. Why? Has that how they reported it or something? I mean, they haven't told me that.
I don't know.
It comes off her card.
I know.
Comes off your card? Every single week?
No. They bill me like an
Do you have your phone on you?
No, it's upstairs.
When is the last time they billed you?
Ma'am, can you grab her phone?
Yeah.
So I can see it?
You want to go
I mean, I have my contract. I have my contract in the.
I think Sisters has to take it.
I have my contract in the car from when I initially rented it.
Where is your
It's
phone?
upstairs on the charger because it was dead.
So how much? When's the last time you paid for it?
I think they billed me. I think they charged me like maybe a little over a week ago.
How much they
A
charge
couple
you?
$100. But I literally just spoke to them and they just asked me when I planned on bringing it back. Do you know what I mean? Because you can technically have it up for 90 days. I mean,
Well, if you pay for it, where's the agreement? Where's the rental?
It's in there.
Where's the key?
Upstairs.
Stay right here. Can you get the key too, please, ma'am?
Sure.
Thank you.
Sure. He's coming to get.
I mean, and they haven't like been calling my phone, harassing me about it either. So I didn't think that there was an issue.
But you rented it for a week, right?
Yeah. But I mean,
And that was in when? December?
yeah, early December, yeah. But like, I mean, I didn't. Like I said, like they haven't, like been harassing calling my phone. Period. They
Have
have
you
not.
talked to anybody on the phone?
I have like yes, I did speak to someone on the phone. She called me like about, like I said, a little over a week ago.
And said what?
She just asked me, her exact words were, hey, when are you planning on, returning the U-Haul? And I said, huh?
What'd you tell her?
And I said, hey, I'm so sorry. I was like, I've been, like, I've lost track of time, you know what I mean? Lost track of time or whatever. And I was like, I wasn't finished moving all of this stuff. Right here, I say I hadn't finished moving all of my stuff yet or whatever. And I was like, is it okay? I was like, she's like, well, when are you planning on bringing it back? And I said, well, I mean, I can bring it back today. And I was thinking a couple hours, and then I just did it.
So
But it wasn't like I'm not like trying.
No, I got you, but you told him you were going to bring it back a week ago,
Yeah.
and you haven't brought it back.
No. But she hasn't called me again.
But she called you once to ask when you were going to bring it back, and you said today, which was a week ago, and now it's a week later, and you didn't bring it back.
But I'm.
Right or wrong?
No.
Let's be adults.
No. I understand, but I'm not. I'm just trying to get at like. I'm not like evading or avoiding them or
Nobody
anything
said
that
you.
way.
Nobody said you are.
I know.
We're just trying to figure out what the heck's going on here.
Yeah.
How it works is they call us and say, "Hey, go find our U-Haul."
Okay.
So we're like the U-Haul repo police. All right. That's
And he's a very good one at that.
that's.
And it's been
I mean, I'm
there
not
for
like I'm.
weeks.
I'm not
She
like I'm
hasn't
hiding.
even
I got you. Who'd you talk to? Let me see where you paid. Let me see something.
Is this the key? Where's the key for the U-Haul?
all my stuff is in the U-Haul.
We'll call you. Where's the contract? I need to see the contract that's in there. Will it be the contract when you first got it? Or
Just give him the whole thing. Give him the whole thing. We'll figure out the key
I'll
after.
bring it back. And where's the contract? Where's the contract going to be? 12 bucks?
Right in the middle console. It's like right.
All right, keep working on your phone. Richards, what's that?
It's a 10 off from Maui.
It was entered from us.
Yeah, you read it out of Lantana. Self-storage.
How long ago?
Can you read me the number?
Rental out date 11:30. Rental due date 11:30. You're supposed to bring it back the same day. How are you paying for it?
It was on my credit card.
Let me see. Let me see the last time you paid. You said you just gave them a couple $100 a few days ago.
No, I said they just charged my card.
How much?
But you rented this for 1
Day.
Yo, you rented this for 4 hours.
No, I don't know how they put it in there, but that's not how.
Okay, keep working on what you're working on.
I'm sorry. I'm getting you off track. Because it says here you rented it 11/30/2024 at 2:16 p.m. The due date is 11/30/2024 at 6:15 p.m. That's a 4-hour rental. They can do 4-hour rentals?
That's, I
News
mean,
to me.
that's not how I. Yeah, right here. 14.
That's it.
Oh, I just seen where they just tried to charge my card for 14.67.
1,467.
But it declined.
Yeah, I know. I just seen that. I didn't even know that.
That's on the 6th.
So it declined on the 6th, and that was the last payment. So you haven't paid.
Well, I mean, not that balance. I didn't know that charge.
Where's the
system
last
could-
week balance? Where's the last week one? You
I don't know.
said
They just. But we're charging my card, and
Another one declined.
But I figured when I came in.
Another one declined. So you have 3 declined.
Okay, that's what I said. I just saw this. This isn't my normal.
There's 3 declined, 4 declined U-Haul, 5 declined U-Haul transactions, 6, 7, 8.
I didn't even know that they were charging this. Like I didn't.
You don't
even,
get it. It says in an activity. You don't find.
this isn't my main card that I use. I
There's
normally
8
use my Cash App card.
declined U-Haul transactions on her card. All different amounts from like $50 all the way to $1,400.
I did.
It's an everyday charge. They're charging you late.
I know. I normally use my Cash App card. I just use that.
But here's the thing, though. That's the card you gave them. That's the card that ends in.
Whose stuff is in there?
Hers. I was helping her move her stuff. She just. Okay, so it was cleared out. Okay, it was completely empty all the way up until today, and she was not, didn't have anywhere to go here. Do you know what I mean? And so I felt bad, and I offered to help her move her stuff to her storage unit. That's why that's in there.
Yo, Hilton. Can you call one of them to come over here real quick?
Richard. This one too.
I didn't
Can you
know.
just hang out with her for a second?
No.
Why? No.
I'm gonna tell you one thing. Do not make this any worse. You're just going there because you're going to jail because you failed to return that. Leave it at that. Don't add any extra charges. Don't do nothing else.
I'm not going to do that. I'm just
Don't
Say
catch
no.
a resist charge.
Okay?
Turn towards it. Your other hand.
Turn this way towards him.
I'll take care
Come
of
that
it.
way. There we go.
Do you have somebody you want to leave all your jewelry and stuff?
Wait, don't
reach.
reach. What are you doing?
Probably reaching for something in her pocket that you don't want to have
You
on
got
her.
anything inside of you that we don't need to know? Anything? Anything? Any drugs? Nothing? Nothing's gonna stick us, poke us, or nothing like that?
No.
Are you sure?
Do
You go to jail.
Can we
they're
give
gonna
one?
fit.
Can we give one of your? What are you reaching for?
No, I'm filling my pocket with my legs.
I'll tell you what to do though.
Okay,
There
I'm
we go.
sorry.
Enough.
Here's where you're messing up.
I'm sorry.
Already.
I'm
All right.
sorry.
Can
I'm just
we give them
scared.
your stuff?
Yes.
Okay.
Which person can take your stuff?
Kelly. Kelly.
Who's Kelly?
Yes, or Lord.
Not
Just
you.
give it to Kelly.
Okay, so it's Kelly. What is Kelly taking? Because you're gonna need you. We're gonna take your phone. And
Everything
we're
else
gonna
can stay. All the jewelry, the
Yeah.
wallet, everything else can
That's-
stay.
Take your phone with you, yeah.
Phone and ID.
Can you come get all the jewelry,
May I
please?
please have a drink with my gun, but I'm
What?
so nervous.
What is going to happen with the U-Haul?
It's getting
It's about to get
towed.
towed.
I can't have this
I
with
have
my
to get
drink.
everything out of
We
it.
about to get it.
have a
We're
few
gonna move
minutes.
it up a little bit. The tow truck is on the road.
Listen, calm down. You're going to be
Oh my Lord
Tomorrow
God.
morning.
They don't care about that shit. They really don't.
Yeah, listen.
My ex
Start,
was a
ma'am.
deputy for
Please.
40
Take your
Please
jewelry off.
start.
I don't know. I wasn't in the
Yes,
ship,
yes.
so take your jewelry off.
Jewelry.
Necklace. The one. Can this or can the one on your lip come out?
What about your watch?
Yep.
everything.
Any jewelry.
I had to put him take off your rings, everything.
Can I please have a drink?
I
with my
can't.
drink?
It's opened already.
No, it's not. She hasn't opened it. It's brand new.
What's that? Yeah, it's brand new.
We'll probably take it.
She
Are
just
you
bought
okay with
them.
How do I
that?
take off your watch?
No, she just bought them. They're not even
Hold on,
cold.
it's.
Okay.
Can we call them?
Can she drink it?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Listen. I can't have this.
Hold on.
Thank you.
Good.
What are her charges?
Sorry.
What are the charges? Failure to return
A hired vehicle.
She'll see a judge and everything tomorrow morning and then go from there.
You don't have any like crack pipes or needles or anything on you?
You go over there, they find it, it's an extra charge.
No.
You better
Yeah,
be
it's bringing it
honest.
to the
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
way
I
more
know
than
you
her,
keep
so-
checking because you're worried that
No,
you do.
I don't, sir. I have a lighter.
What about your watch? How do I
Take
take
the
off your
lighter
watch?
out, honey.
I don't even know if I have a
All right,
watch.
guys.
You have
all
a
right,
watch on.
listen.
I can see it. I
Stop.
see it.
Oh, my Apple Watch. You
How
just
do I
slide
take
it
it
off
off?
my wrist.
I can't have handcuffs
Turn this way.
on.
Turn this way.
So you want her?
What was your sex at birth? Okay. What's your first name on your driver's license? Adam. Okay.
Less property that she goes, the quicker when she has to arm hard or whatever, she comes up.
But she's not well though too. She has medical conditions.
We'll let the jail know about all that.
Ma'am, are you working on getting your stuff out of it or?
I will.
Okay,
When's
let's go over there.
when's
The
will
guys,
though?
they will help me.
But it's gotta be- it's
you
gotta be-
help me, right?
Can you?
I can't live.
It's gotta be right now.
I will. There's a lot
Yeah, I
of
guess.
Start enlisting some people to help you.
Where's the key for the U-Haul?
Brother, Hank. Kind of an adult male temptation.
She's the one getting the number. She's the one getting the number.
Ma'am, you need to work on getting your stuff out of the
This
U-Haul.
car's gonna be leaving, and we're not gonna hold it. We'll get it. She's writing the number down. We'll get it.
Ma'am, do you understand that?
She walked away. She's
Don't
getting
run
on.
on, because the lower one is my friend of yours. The older lady I just met.
Can we hold? Hey, Richard, can we hold it in yours?